Hola, clase. So I'm going to walk you through one of the tests that you're going to get this week. So go to your Google Classroom, go to classwork, and click under tests. Since I'm under teacher view, I'm going to go straight to the instructions. Okay, so what you should see is two links to one Google form and one Google Slides. Open the Google Slides and open your Google form. First, go to your Google Slides. Click Present. Okay. Explore 3 Spanish-speaking countries tests. Here are the instructions. Choose 3 Spanish-speaking countries to explore by clicking on a poster in the next slide. So, pick any country you want to explore, but pick 3 countries that you're going to explore for this test. So let's say, to speed things up, because you're going to actually watch these videos, but let's say you pick Guatemala, and when you're done watching Guatemala, you want to explore Colombia, and let's make our third one Honduras. Okay, since the first one was Guatemala, let's see if we can watch a couple seconds of it to get a first impression. What you'll do is watch the film from beginning to end. Okay, I'm going to pause the Guatemala film. Let's go to Colombia. This is the second one that we chose. And it's actually quite beautiful. All right, I'm going to pause the Colombia video and let's go to the third country that we explored, Honduras. You see a picture of a classroom. A Catholic church. Okay, so I'm going to pause this for now. Okay, so I'm going to pause it for now. So what you'll do is once you have watched 3 Spanish-speaking country videos from beginning to end, go to your Google form to take the test. Now, I'll walk you through it. So, first, provide your name. And click Next. Now, first question is, which Spanish-speaking country or U.S. territory did you explore first? You're going to choose from the list below. So we chose Guatemala first, so we're going to click that for our example for today. Then we're going to hit Next. Okay. Now, here is your test. You're going to write a short answer for each of these questions. So what surprised you from the video? Okay, well, for the Guatemala video, we noticed, let's see, skipping ahead to give you guys an example, you'll write down whatever you saw from the video that might have surprised you. Maybe it was the, I don't know, maybe it was the city or the, maybe the people in the film or the video. Write down whatever you feel like that speaks to you, that surprised you. So let's go back for just demonstration purposes. I'm going to say, what surprised me was that ... and you finish the answer. Next, we have name some geographical features you saw in the video. Maybe you want to name that we saw mountains and plateaus, forests, lakes, maybe tundra, who knows? Whatever geographical feature that you see in the video, you can list them here. Okay, next, what was something that stood out about this country? You might list that what stood out for me was that the people ... or I liked the ... or whatever. Honestly, I'm going to give you sentence starters, and you finish the sentence that answers these questions. Now, there's a true or false I'm including on this test. Verdad or falso? The country flag was in the video. Go back and make sure that you can spot a country flag in these videos. And if you do, click true. And if you didn't, click false. So for the sake of trying to get through this, I am going to click false. All right, now hit submit. What you'll see here is really important. Continue test by clicking this link. This will allow you to answer questions about the second Spanish-speaking country that you explored. So hit next, and you'll automatically go to your second question, which asks, which Spanish-speaking country or U.S. territory did you explore second? Now, we chose Colombia. So for the sake of this example, I'm going to click on Colombia and hit next. You're going to see the same questions about Colombia. And what surprised you about the video? Maybe it was a number of things, but list them here and start off by saying, what surprised me was that ... Name some geographical features that you saw in the video of Colombia. And you can list them here. Maybe it was mountains again. Maybe it was the ocean or beaches. Also, what was something that stood out about this country to you? You start off your sentence with what stood out was and you list what stood out to you. Next is the true or false question. The country flag was in the video. If you think you saw the country flag, in our case, the Colombian country flag, if you happen to choose on it, either click true or false. I'm going to click false for the sake of time. Then hit submit. Now, you'll see this page. continue test by clicking this link and click on this link. Okay, hit next. Now, which Spanish-speaking country or U.S. territory did you explore third, or in other words, last? So next we have Honduras. Yes, Honduras. That's what we chose. So I am going to click Honduras and hit next. Okay, so same thing. What surprised you from this video? What surprised me was that Name some geographical features that you saw in the video. Maybe Honduras or any of the countries that you're going to choose today will have crystal clear waters. Maybe a jungle. Maybe rivers. Maybe certain animals you want to even list. Okay, so next we got what was something that stood out about this country. You could even list wildlife in this question, or anything about the video that stood out to you. So basically start off with what stood out was the ... I noticed that ... just like that. Okay, and again, true or false? Verdad o falso? The country flag was in the video. While you are watching these videos, see if you can spot the country flag. So for the sake of time, I'm going to click on falso. Okay, and hit next. Now, here is the end of your test. Last questions. From all the videos you watched, which countries would you like to visit? Which would you not like to visit? Explain why for both. So sentence starters I'm going to suggest here would be, I would like to visit blah, blah, blah. Let's see. I would like to visit, let's say, Honduras because ... or, and I would not like to visit Guatemala because for any reason you give will count. So here is your sentence starters, and it will all depend on which 3 Spanish-speaking countries you chose to explore for this test. But make sure that you tell me which ones or which country you would like to visit, and tell me which one or ones you would not like to visit based on what you saw and the reason why. And this will be worth 2 points, this exit ticket for your test. In total, this test is 14 points. Now, when you're done writing your response, hit submit for the last time, and you are done the test. Now, since we're at the very end, please let me know if you have any issues or problems taking this test, and I will help you. Email me, Google message me, or if need be, you can even request a Zoom meeting, and so I can walk through certain parts that you're stuck on. So I hope you guys have a good day, and let me know if you guys get stuck on anything for this test. But so far, good luck, and I hope you guys enjoy exploring a Spanish-speaking country and maybe just getting to check out something that you haven't seen before. Okay? Have a good one.